Welcome to the channel. So we're going to first share with you guys my spice mix that I use for most of my chicken and pork dishes. It's about a teaspoon of all these ingredients except for black pepper. We're going to use a half teaspoon of that. And for this particular recipe, I'm also going to add in a half teaspoon of chili powder, and you don't see that listed. So we first get started by setting our Ninja. To get started on this, we're going to press the air fryer function, which automatically sets at about 390 degrees. And we're going to set the timer on this for 10 minutes. Now, nonstick spray is essential to getting what we're gonna cook, the plantains and the chicken, crisp like you fried it without frying. Now, after 5 minutes, the Platanos are ready to be flipped over. I've already smashed them prior to placing them into the air fryer with my tostinera. That's that little wood thing you saw. And I already sprayed both sides before placing them in there with the nonstick. So now, since they're already smashed, we're just going to flip them over and let them cook for 5 more minutes. Now, after a total of 10 minutes, they should be ready to be taken out. So let's take them out, see how they look. Now, I've also made, while they were cooking, a traditional mayo ketchup so I give you the recipe, just 1/2 mayo, 1/2 ketchup, and a little bit of garlic powder if you like. Also, some people put a little hot sauce if they want a little pica to it, but I usually don't do that. It's a great accompaniment for these tostones. And the reason we use the Ninja indoor grill and air fryer is to show how to make these tostones or fried plantains with a lot less mess in the kitchen and lower calories than frying. It also keeps the kitchen a lot cooler on days like today. So here are the Platanos and the mayo ketchup. Came out great. Didn't have a big mess, and today it was 90 degrees. I was not gonna be in a hot kitchen. So now we have half a chicken seasoned with the seasoning mix I did make earlier, and we've already sprayed the top of the chicken so that we want that to be placed face down into the Ninja. Now the Ninja, we're gonna put it back on air fryer mode at that 390 degrees, but we are gonna set the timer for 30 minutes. You need 15 minutes on each side for sure. Now, when you place the chicken in, you wanna make sure that you put them evenly in there so that air can get through and they're not tight in there. You need the air to flow to get it nice and crispy. Now we're gonna put the side down that we've already sprayed with the nonstick so that that side crisps. And before closing this, we are gonna spray the side that's now up that didn't get sprayed so that it can crisp all around. And I'm telling you, it cuts back on so much of the calories and just the fat intake that you're doing when you're frying chicken in oil or grease or however you do it. So now 15 minutes have passed. It's time to flip them over, and we can see that they are beginning to crisp. That's what we want. We want the taste and the look of fried chicken without the mess, without the calories, and definitely without all that fat. All right, our 30 minutes is over. I usually leave the chicken in there with it closed once it goes off for about a minute or two to let the chicken just internally cook so that especially the breasts are nice and juicy and you don't overcook or dry the chicken out. That is a big common mistake that people do. And as we put it on this plate, we are going to see that they came out perfect. So to eat and accompany this, we have our Platanos that we cooked in the air fryer. I've made rice and beans on the stove, and of course we have our mayo ketchup, and as you can see, non-fried fried chicken. So here are the plates, beautifully done, just the way Eric and I like them. And the total for this, for 2 adults, we've made a half chicken, a pot of rice and beans. We made 1 plantain, and the entire cost for this dinner is less than $6. So for 2 people, you're eating for less than $3 a piece. So enjoy. This is why we love the Caribbean, and we will see you on the next video. Don't forget to hit subscribe. And as always, welcome to all our new patrons. Don't forget to hit notifications so you can get notified when we have gems like this coming. Always remember to give this and other videos a thumbs up. It's the free and easy way to patron. And we always have all our information under the videos. Thank you for patroning, and we'll see you on the next video.